one little boy who acted in the Titanic for his style, for his look, for his romance. He got famous around the world. He was very happy that four nomination of Oscar is gone to the Titanic, the best original score, best picture, and best director, and so on. All team members are got the awards or participate in the member in the happily, but he was appreciated but come with a sadness. He was not nominated in any skills, but the media's making a game, all saying that they all members in the Titanic got the Oscar, but without the Dio Carbio. This is for TRP. They are making the headlines to seeking the attention of people. For a TRP, they teasing him. Then he was decided to get an Oscar. To get an Oscar, they're choosing the different movies and different characters, like Catch Me You Can, Aviator, The Wolf of Wall Street. They and decided to and they get a recognition of 6 nomination of Oscar. The 5 for his acting, the one movie for one Oscar for his movie, but he not get a Oscar award. So he think that I'm rolling in the character of romance and romance only, so that I want to become a villain, the different characters. So he choose the villain character and he made it Jandio and Unchanged. Yes, a movie he acted in the villain character. He made the movie. He want to beat the scene is you want to beat the glass table, dining table, and you want to speak. When the eater table, the real bet is bleeding in the Diacabio hands. So to make a perfect scene, so as a real scene, and he made many movies. They make different roles and different movies, but the 2 years or 3 years not get. For 20 years, 22 years he put effect, but he not get a awards in the Oscar. And the 22 to 30 years is a one generation put a effect on the Oscar award. All medias are teasing him that he not able to get a Oscar. And comparing with his friend, he was comparing and teasing. After the completion of he got a chance for making the Spider-Man role. He knows that Spider-Man role become a very famous character, but he gave a chance to his friend. But he was given a chance to his childhood friend, the Toby. And media say that the after making the Spider-Man movie, the media saying that friend will be get Oscar, but Dio Carbio not get a chance for get an Oscar. Comparing, media saying that the Dio Carbio was waste, and so he was get anger, and but the friend is not get a Oscar, and but also the for a TRP media teasing him, and he was go to astrology and astrologer to ask how to get Oscar. He said before acting. Before entering to acting, they want to change the name any Williams. It will be the solution to your problems in your name, so that you want to change the name. For Oscar, I not change my name, said by him, and he thrown the dream of the Oscar, getting the Oscar, and saying that I am do my best. If not, I will not get Oscar. And next movie was Reverend. At one scene, he was roaming with anger. The director think that the one person is throw the bison liver he want to eat. The assistant director is saying that DiCaprio was a vegetarian, not eat any animals, so he did eat a pancake and want to eat. The scene is fulfilled, but the DiCaprio is not happy with the scene, so he was want to retake the scene, and he was asked a 2 days permission, and for 2 days he was not eaten and come for a shooting, and the real prisoner liver was eaten, which is not known to the director, and director was says super scene. Then he was saying that he explained all the things. I was not eaten the anything in the 2 days, and I eaten the real bison liver. He put many effort and many tries on the getting Oscar. The 20 years effort at last he got the Oscar award for the Revenant. Whether you thinking that DiCaprio the get Oscar for Revenant, answer is no. You when he decided to get Oscar and put effort towards the acting and choosing the different character, different movies, onwards he selected as an Oscar winning person. In Bhagavad Gita, is in Hindu's religious book, saying that do your duty and not corner yourself with your result. If you are do our work, our thoughts and our efforts real and right, the right success will become. Many have confusion that whether you would not expect the salary or rewards for your duty. No, you are misunderstood. For a salary, we should not do the duty. Do the duty and get a salary or rewards. From his life, we should understand do your duty and but not your corner yourself with your result. Thank you.